This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu.
Good evening, you're watching the news now. I am Anmol Mattu with the news at 5. Bringing laurels to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Tanmay Gupta of Jammu bags the top position and becomes the all-Indian topper in NEET 2021. 18-year-old Tanmay Gupta from Jammu has created history by becoming the first from Jammu and Kashmir to be the national topper of NEET 2021 by scoring 720 out of 720 in NEET exam. The son of an orthodontist father and a dentist mother is gathering accolades from across the political as well as public scenario for his wonderful achievements, including wishes from LG Manoj Sinha, PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh to former ministers like Priya Sethi, Nirmal Singh and Kavinder Gupta. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted people on the occasion of Dhanteras today. Dhanteras marks the beginning of Diwali festivities and people consider it as an auspicious day to buy gold or utensils. The day is also observed by believers as the birth anniversary of Dhanvantri, the god of Ayurveda. Modi tweeted, "Greetings to everyone on the special occasion of Dhanteras." Jammu Traffic Police is strictly following the guidelines for controlling the city traffic and generating civic traffic sense among people living there. In the same regard, the busy Talab Tilo road is getting focus of these officials. The traffic police today were seen providing awareness to the double-seated two-wheeler travelers to wear helmets.
भी आप घर से निकलें, हेलमेट का इस्तेमाल जरूर करें और दोनों व्यक्ति हेलमेट पहने। रही बात फोर व्हीलर की, जो व्यक्ति दोनों आगे बैठे हैं दोनों सीट बेल्ट पहने। त्योहारों का सीजन है, आप लोगों को सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए। ये आप ही के लिए सेफ्टी है। आपको अपनी सेफ्टी देखनी है, अपने परिवार की सेफ्टी देखनी है, क्योंकि जो इंसान गाड़ी चला रहा है अपने आप में वो उसे कुछ महसूस नहीं होता, मगर अपने परिवार के लिए वो एक दुनिया है। इसलिए हम ट्रैफिक पुलिस जम्मू दरख्वास्त करती है कि आप हेलमेट पहने, सीट बेल्टों का पूरा इस्तेमाल करें और गाड़ी कम स्पीड पे चलाएं।
Two people, including a 9-year-old child, were seriously injured in a bear attack in Dadrimbagh, Ganderbal. 9-year-old child, namely Farhan Khan, and his father Javed Ahmed Khan were seriously injured after bear attacked them in Dadrimbagh. According to locals, a wild bear hiding in a nearby forest nursery for the past 3 days has turned out to be a treat for people living around Dadrimbagh. Meanwhile, the wildlife department and the police were able to capture it and was later shifted to Dachingam National Park.
आज सुबह हमें मैसेज मिली और मैंने अर्ली मॉर्निंग टीम भेजा यहाँ और हमने इसको काबू में किया। 2-3 डॉट लगाए और इंशाल्लाह ये इसको उठा लेंगे हम। एक बच्ची भी इसने सुबह के टाइम जख्मी कर दी, तो मेरी टीम ऑलरेडी पहले से पहुंची थी, तो डॉट लगाकर ये भाग गया, आंगन में घुस गया और आंगन में बच्ची थी और बच्ची को जख्मी कर लिया इसने। तब से मेरी टीम यहाँ पर है, हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई यहाँ पर और मैंने कल भी टीम भेजी और आज भी टीम भेजी है। हो सकता है जंगल एरिया है, ऊपर से आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे। एक हमने इंशाल्लाह इसको ट्रैंक्लाइज कर लिया।
Senior BJP leader Baldev Singh Baloria organized a Diwali Milan program at his residence. Various social organizations along with BJP workers also participated in the Diwali Milan program. Diwali gifts and sweets were distributed to the sanitation workers in the program organized on this occasion. Baloria said that the sanitation workers of the municipal corporation are also a part of my family in a way. He said that Safai Karamcharis always play an important role in making Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a success. Every councillor of the municipal corporation is always working for the interests of these sanitation workers and is also standing with their family along with them.
5 बजे उठ के हमारे घरों में झाड़ू सफाई गलियों में ये करते हैं। इसके लिए इनका सराहनीय काम जो है वो इनको हमने तारीफ की है और इनको सम्मानित भी किया है। इनको हमने सोसाइटीज़ के लोग हैं, इनके द्वारा इनको जो बेचारों को छोटा मोटा होता था हमने गिफ्ट वगैरह वो भी दिए हैं। मुझे लगता है कि सभी लोगों को मैं कहना चाहता हूँ जो सफाई कर्मचारी जिनकी वजह से जम्मू शहर हमारा साफ़ सुथरा रहता है, शहर की सफाई करते हैं, इनका ऑनर भी करना चाहिए और यथासंभव इनको इनकरेज भी करना चाहिए ताकि ये हमारा काम है सही ढंग से चल सके।
Filmmaker and choreographer Farhan Khan took to her social media platforms to announce that she has received UAE Golden Visa from the country's dignitaries. Farhan Khan Kundar shared a picture of herself being awarded the visa by Dubai's member of the government Syed Al Janahi. She captioned the picture with, "However much we deny it, it always feels good to be appreciated. I am so honored to receive the Golden Visa in UAE at @Expo 2020 Dubai. For my contribution to Indian cinema, for my achievements in film and especially to the connect Happy New Year has with Dubai. Thanks to Dubai Film and TV Commission for supporting the creative people." The Golden Visa was introduced in 2019. It is also a new policy on the part of the government of the United Arab Emirates UAE that allows long-term residence visas, thereby enabling foreigners to live, work and study in the UAE without the need of a national sponsor and with 100% ownership of their business. The Biden administration is launching a wide-ranging plan to reduce methane emissions, targeting a potent greenhouse gas that contributes significantly to global warming and packs a stronger short-term punch than even carbon dioxide. The plan was being announced as President Joe Biden wraps up a 2-day appearance at a United Nations Climate Summit in Glasgow, Scotland. Mr. Biden pledged during the summit to work with the European Union and other nations to reduce overall methane emissions worldwide by 30% by 2030. The centerpiece of US actions is a long-awaited rule by the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) to tighten the methane regulations for the oil and gas sector as laid out in one of Mr. Biden's first executive orders. That's all for today. For more, stay updated with the news now.